Good morning, children. Today I will teach you chapter 15, probability. I also taught you in the class. What is probability? All of you know about it. Probability is the measure of how likely it is that some event will occur. A number expressing the ratio of favorable cases to the whole number or cases possible. Probability means something to happen. संभावनाएं. Some common terms related to probability. Experiment is a situation involving chance or probability that leads to result called outcomes. A possible result of a random experiment. जैसे हमने when we thrown a dice, total possible outcomes 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Equally likely outcomes. All outcomes with equal probability. A baby is born. It is boy or गर्ल. बराबर संभावनाएं हैं बच्चा या बच्ची. Important terms. Probability I already told you. Generally probability means number of favorable outcome upon total number of possible outcomes. Some special events. A die is thrown. Total possible outcome 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Coin is tossed. Head and tail 2. When 2 times there is a 4 cases. Head, tail, head, then tail. Here I will mention some examples. A bag contains lemon flavor candies only. Malini takes out one candy without looking into the bag. What is the probability that she takes out an orange flavor candy? There is no orange flavor candy. So what is the probability? 0. A lemon flavor candy 1. A lot of 20 bulbs contain 4 defective ones. One bulb is drawn at random. What is the probability of defective? 4 upon 20, 1 by 5. If first condition bulb is not defective and not replaced, then how many bulbs left? 20 minus 1, 19. What is the probability that this bulb is not defective? 15 upon 19. What is the probability of getting a less than 5 in a single throw of die? Less than 5. When we thrown a dice, total possible outcome 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Then less than 5, 1, 2, 3, 4. Then students, what is the probability? 4 upon 6. 2 by 3. A die is thrown once. Find the probability of getting a prime number. Then what is the probability? 3 by 6. 1 by 2. A number lying between 2 and 6. We will not include 2 and 6. Between numbers 3, 4, 5. Then 3 by 6. 1 by 2. Odd number 1, 3, 5. 3 by 6. It is 1 by 2. Then lastly cards. Total card equal to 52. 4 parts: spade, heart, diamond, club. Heart and the diamond is red card and the spade and the club is black card. Then A represent ace, जिसको हम हिंदी में बोलते हैं इक्का. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 normal cards numbering. Jack, king and queen. Ghulam, Begum or Bash. There are 13 types of generally in one card. One card is drawn from a well-shuffled deck of 52 cards. Calculate the probability that it will be an ace. How many ace? 4. Then probability 4 upon 52. Then students, you will solve all the questions of book in your notebook. I already told you all of these things. Thank you so much.